Did you know Dollar Tree had dense bean salads? Well, they don't, but let me show you how to make it. Here are all of the ingredients I use, and it costs less than $15. There's a lot of sodium, so I didn't add any extra salt. I used bacon fat that I had in the refrigerator, and I cooked up my veggies. I did pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I found like this pasta salad seasoning, so I used that. I'm like put that in the big salad as well. But we needed very much something, so I used boneless ham steak. So this recipe came out to about 638 calories, but it could have had less in there if I did like smaller portions. But I think I did 2 cups of the whole dense bean salad, and that's how I basically made it. So I drained my chickpeas, cut up my ham. I used 2 of those ham packets, cut up my cheese. I just dumped those bacon pieces in there. Same with the pepperoncinis. Oh, I saved some of the juice so I could add that in my dressing for later. And I think I just cut the tops off because some of them were pretty small. So if they were small enough, I just cut the tops off. If not, I just halved them. I added some pickles in there from the fried pickle recipe. I used Caesar dressing because that's what they had. Normally, I would have tried to do a vinaigrette, or if they had like a red wine vinegar or some other type of vinegar there, I would have preferred that. But I just used apple cider vinegar, the vinegar from the pepperoncinis, and the Caesar dressing. And I seasoned that up, made sure it tastes good. Added a little bit more Caesar dressing just to make sure it wasn't too dry because no one likes a dry salad. But I mixed that all up, put the dressing in, and yeah, that was it. And then I wound up eating it with some crispy onions on top just for a little extra crunch and a little extra flavor. But y'all, this meal was very high in sodium. So if you can, make your meats by scratch, like make your own chicken, your own ham, whatever. But the fresher the ingredients, the lower sodium, and really I feel like the more nutrients you'll have. But it is what it is. We made it do what it do. We got it from Dollar Tree, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, I topped it with some crispy onions to give it some extra country and flavor. Bye, y'all.